I've been working at Vattenfall since 2019 and my role now is called Senior Specialist in Decommissioning and Dismantling. My role is to have knowledge of products and methods and tools and machines that can do dismantling and decommissioning tasks and what is appropriate to use in certain conditions and the pros and cons of each method and machine. At the moment we only have a Brokk 300. We have a 200 on the way, but the 300 for us when we made the order in 2019, it was the model that it is big enough but also small enough if you understand how I mean. It has the capacity that many smaller robots doesn't have, and also the number of different attachments is quite impressive. In decommissioning we have used them for tank dismantling, we have used them for dismantling bioshields in various sites, and we also have used them for packing and repacking waste, and also we have now started using the robot for cutting pipes and dismantling pipes in areas. We realized that the bigger robot we can squeeze into the site, the better it is, because you have greater capacity and a more variety of options for tools. So we landed on the 300. In 2020 we had 2 blowdown tanks that was part of the emergency system of the facility. We had, I think the combined weight was 70 tons, so they were 13 meters long each approximately, and 2.8 meters in diameter. So we had really, the challenge was how to dismantle them, because they were, the entrance to the room was only a door that was 2 meters wide. So there we had different options, but we landed on the Brokk for dismantling because you have both the capacity to cut it, but also the capacity to load the cut pieces into waste containers. So we removed the exposure to crush injuries for the personnel. So the machine is does all the dangerous and heavy lifting and also the cutting. I have never gotten the feeling when I come for a request for or discussions with Brokk that there is no question that is too small, but there also is no challenge that is too big to look at. So it's always a good place to have discussion and bounce ideas on how to do things. Go for proven reliability. That's been one of the key parts for our part. Knowing we have a supplier that is reliable, is here. And as we have our demands to handle the waste we produce when running nuclear power plants, we need to have access to machines that we can actually serve and use and upgrade for a long time. As an operator, it's fun, it's genuinely fun to demolish things in a controlled way.